Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. The best part about home cooked meals is that it's healthy as well as cheap. Whenever we get bored of cooking mundane meals, we try and add variety by cooking some fish as well as salad. I don't cook meat personally, so my husband does the fish and I do the salad. So if you want to enjoy this delicious seafood and salad combo, jump on in and let's get rolling. To begin with, grate about 2 inches of ginger into a bowl. In the same bowl, grate about 4 cloves of garlic, and if you like the garlic more, you can add more as well. Then a handful of coriander / cilantro leaves finely chopped. My husband always says that the more the cilantro, the better the fish tastes, and I could not agree more because I have tasted the fish and it's yummy. Next comes some oregano. We have some oregano growing in our backyard, so we use it in all our dishes. And you need about 3 or 4 strands of this, and this needs to be finely chopped as well. Then some finely chopped onions. He's using white here, but you could use red onions, pearl onions, or anything that you have at home. I think he realized that there were less onions, so he added in more onions, the remaining half, and to this he added some red chilli powder, about a tablespoon of it, a coriander powder, jeera powder, and some salt. And then added in about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. He uses a lot of oil, and then a good squeeze of lemon juice as well. I think he almost used 1 whole lemon here. Mixing this all up and then adding in the Kashmiri red chilli powder, which is actually what gives the colorful bright red for the fish, and he always recommends adding this. Then adding in salmon. We use Atlantic salmon here, which is from Costco, which is what tastes good, at least that's what I like. So, and it's boneless, which is easy to feed my son as well. So we use that, buy that in bulk from Costco and use that. Now coating all the mixture and allowing the fish to marinate for some time. Now heat a pan on a medium flame and then add all the pieces of fish and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. We usually bake the fish but decided to pan fry it today instead. Make sure you also close the lid of the pan while cooking so that it retains the moisture. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and then flip the fishes on the other side and make sure they're not like burning. And then add in a little salt if needed. My husband is definitely adding in some, like you see. And then he did go ahead and add some extra olive oil as well. Close the lid once again and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, and once it's done, it's ready to be served. Always make sure that the fish is cooked and you taste it before you turn off the stove. Now on to the couscous salad made by me. For this you will need to boil water in a bowl. About 4 cups of it, I think. And add salt. 2 teaspoons of it. Couscous is actually a type of pasta, so more the salt the merrier. And add about a cup of couscous into this boiling water. Now chop some parsley. I have a good bunch of it. Now that the couscous is done, takes about 10 minutes I think, it's time to strain it all out and put the couscous in a bowl. To this I'm going to add in the chopped parsley, grate in some lemon zest, and add a good drizzle of olive oil. Some salt and some pepper. and some cherry tomatoes, about 10 or 15 of them, and toss it all up. And that's about it. Your healthy couscous salad to go with the fish is ready to be served. I like how this dish has some proteins and omega-3 fatty acids from the fish and some good carbs from the couscous. And I think the carbs from the couscous are a little less than our regular rice. All in all, a great combo to add in some variety to our daily meals. We all know that eating fish has its health benefits, and I love this one that my husband makes. Please do give this recipe a try and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. As always, you know the drill, like and share this video if you loved watching it, and if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by once again, and until next time, bye-bye.